This smells like I've just smushed a banana. It's getting to like the back of my throat a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but it's actually making my mouth water smelling this. I am a little bit concerned of how liquidy this is. Oh, okay. Am I excited about it? No, I am not. So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are diving into the very first Lush Kitchen subscription box unboxing for 2024. I cannot believe that we are already in January and we are already filming our first kitchen box. I feel like, again, this year is going to go so fast, and I actually turned 30 on the 22nd of January, which is making me feel so, honestly, unbelievably sick that I can't even think about it. Not that there's anything wrong with being 30, I just can't believe I am at that stage in my life where I'm going to be 30. So we're not going to talk about it. We're just going to put a pin in it and we're going to leave it over there. But in today's video, we are doing an unboxing. I honestly cannot wait to unbox this box. It literally just came in the post, but this video isn't going to be going up for, I think, a week or two. So I'm so sorry that it's a little bit later than normal. I just have had a few videos that I wanted to get up first. So hopefully you guys don't mind and you still enjoy the video. And yeah, let's dive in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so the first item in the box we have, oh, okay, this is the Tropical Fruit body lotion. I am not gonna lie to you guys, I don't use body lotion half as much as I should, because I just don't. I definitely should, and I really need to start, because the amount of body lotions I have is becoming a problem. So this is the Tropical Fruit body lotion, and it says on the bottle, a tropical rainforest awaits with earthy vetiver and woody cypress oils in this exotic blend. Ingredients wise, in this one we have got almond oil, cocoa butter, cypress oil, cedarwood oil, ylang ylang oil, and vetiver oil. I'm really excited to see what this one smells like, but I also really hope that it's orange or something really cute. So let's have a look and see. I'm gonna let you guys see first, and then I will look after you. Is it orange? No, it is white. Oh, it's very liquidy though. Is it supposed to be like that? Oh, okay, this smells like a product we've had before. What does that smell like? Oh my god, that's gonna really annoy me, because we've had a product that smells like this and I cannot think what it is. This one is a very milky consistency. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but it's a very light moisturizer. So I do like that. I much prefer that to a thick kind of oily texture. So this is really lovely, and it does sink into the skin really nicely. But we've definitely had this smell before and I cannot think what it smells like. It's got a very earthy kind of fresh smell to it. You can definitely smell the kind of creaminess undertone, but it kind of smells like a smell that I wouldn't normally like, if that makes sense. Oh, it is quite oily actually. Now I've rubbed it in, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. It's a very oily kind of texture. I feel like this would be really lovely kind of on your legs before you go to bed. I think that would be really nice, but scent wise it's really hard for me to describe it. It's a very light smell, but it has got an earthy undertone. We've definitely had a smell like that before though. So that is the first item. I'm not too sure how I feel about the oiliness of it though, because it is very oily, but again, if you use it before bed, I think it would be lovely. So that is the first item. Not mad about it, not obsessed with it. That's how I feel. Next up, moving on to a bottled product, we have the Slammer Shower Gel. This says, wake on up before you go-go. This invigorating citrus blend is sure to put the boom boom into your heart and fuel an early start. That sounds incredible. Ingredients wise, in this one, we have got lime peel and ginger root infusion. We've also got seawater, lime juice, linseed cucumber oil, lemon oil. This is going to be very fresh. I am a little bit concerned of how liquidy this is. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. Can you guys see how liquidy that is? Probably not, but it is very, very liquidy. So I'm going to have to be extremely careful smelling this one. Let's have a smell and see what it's like. This smells nice, it's just not my favourite. Like, I feel I'm not wowed by it. It just smells very fresh and very kind of clean. I am extremely concerned though by the kind of liquidiness of this, but yeah, it's just an overly fresh smell. Also, if you can hear snoring, by the way, Thor is asleep on the bed, so I do apologise, but yeah, I'm not obsessed with that. I don't hate it, I just think it is a little bit more on the liquidy side than a normal shower gel should be. So I don't know if that is an issue with the batch or if it's supposed to be like that. I'd love to know down below. Did you receive this box? Is yours also extremely liquidy? Because I'd love to know down below. So now moving on to the next item in the box, we have, oh, okay, we have a massive bath bomb. This is beautiful. Okay, this is a really lovely kind of orange color with a pink middle. Absolutely stunning. I love the look of this. This is the, they always put things on here that I'm not gonna be able to pronounce. It's O-C-H-R-E. What is that? Orca. Anyway, ingredients wise in this one, we have got coarse sea salt, lemon myrtle oil, Brazilian orange oil, sandalwood oil, and gardenia extract. Oh, this smells really good. This smells, oh, actually, wait. Oh my God, wait. That smells exactly like, you know, when you were younger, I don't know whether other countries would have had the same thing as we did in the UK, but there was definitely this medicine that I had when I was younger, and it was like, I don't know if it was the banana medicine, unless it's touched something else, because this other side doesn't smell like that. It's got a very zingy smell, a very fresh, fruity, like mouth-watering smell. One side smells like banana. I am very confused. Maybe there's something else in here that smells like banana, but the other side smells more sour, more sharp. It's actually making my mouth water smelling this. It smells really good. I think it has got maybe, has it got popping candy in it? No, I don't know what the kind of little bits of red are inside. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but there are a few bits of red kind of dotted around, whether that is popping candy or bath salts, I don't know, but it does smell good. It's a very mouth-watering, fruity, kind of like sour smell. It's really good though. The next item we have in the box is, oh, okay, I have no idea what that is. This is what it looks like. This is the Up You Get Emotti Bomb. I am not gonna lie to you guys, I don't particularly love the emoji bombs. I never found that they worked really well, but these are basically like shower bombs. So you put them in the bottom of the shower, and as soon as the water hits, the kind of steam and the fragrance sort of kind of immerses you in the shower, but I almost find them a bit of a waste of time. I don't know, is it just me? Scent-wise, this smells very, very lemony. It's got a very like sharp, sour, kind of a lemon sweet sort of smell. Ingredients wise in this one, you've got lime oil, grapefruit oil, Sicilian lemon oil. It's just very, very lemony. It's getting to like the back of my throat a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but it does smell very, very good. So yeah, as I said, these aren't my absolute favorite product. I might even just put this in the bath and use it as a bath bomb. I don't know, I'm not too sure, but it does smell really good. Very fresh. Delicious. And the last item we have in this month's box is, ooh, this is a bubble bar, and I am now understanding why that bath bomb smelled like banana, because this is what the bubble bar looks like. It has some dried banana in there. This is a little monkey bubble bar, and ingredients wise in this one, we have got fair trade bananas, perfume, gardenia extract, and dried banana slices. So I have a horrible feeling this is going to smell exactly like the banana medicine that I had when I was younger, and I don't know if I'm gonna like the smell. It doesn't actually, that's really bizarre. It's almost like these two together smell exactly like banana medicine, but on their own they don't smell like that, which is very strange. It's not giving me kind of ultimate banana scent, but it is giving me more of a natural banana smell as opposed to kind of that really synthetic strong banana fragrance that you get like from the Body Shop and stuff. It doesn't smell like that. This smells like a more, I've just smushed a banana sort of smell. Does that make sense? It does smell really good though. Delicious. Oh, the more you smell it, I feel like the more banana-y it gets. Love that. So those are all of the products that are in January's Lush Kitchen subscription box. Am I excited about it? No, I am not. I don't feel like this box was particularly my favourite. I feel like the body lotion could be a better fragrance. I feel like the texture of this just isn't quite right. And the other products I'm just not overly excited about. So I'm not going to say this is my favourite at all. I'm a little bit disappointed, I'm not going to lie. But as always, this is a complete surprise. You never know what you're going to get. And that is the kind of enjoyment about this box, is it is a risk and it is something you don't know what you're going to get. So I do love that aspect. So I can't be mad at it. It's just not for me. But I hope you guys loved yours if you received it, and I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on this month's box down below in the comments, because I'm always wanting to know your guys' opinions and I'd love to know. So yeah, let me know down below. Obviously, if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do. We are on our way to 11,000 subscribers. I honestly cannot quite believe it. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. It will make my day, and I would love for our channel to reach that many. So that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.